Looks like feds are checking everyone's COVID tests. Straight out the aeroplane. Crazy people. Travel gang. My test is negative. As you can see. But I am a day late, people. Let's see what happens. Flight got cancelled, don't forget. If you've been watching my Instagram stories. Let's see. I thought the police were going to check my COVID test, but they didn't. Should be interesting at immigration. Because mine's over 72 hours, people. It's going to get into the video and explain what's going on. So here we are, people, London Heathrow Airport. Let's get this travel gang. Disculpe. Gracias. Alright, my legs are cold. So people, new rules to follow if and when you do land at any airport as a final destination in England. I think they're checking everything over there, so I'll put this down. Oh man, so there's loads of immigration police officials over there. Just check my PCR test and the passport. But anyway, so first things first, if and when you do land at England, one of the airports, number one, 72 hours before you go get a test. So I got one in Guatemala, in Shela, Quetzaltenango, on the 4th of March. So I'm actually 24 hours over that rule, unfortunately, because my flight got cancelled at San Salvador. Because to get to England from Guatemala, it's Guatemala to El Salvador, Madrid. So I had to stay a night at El Salvador. But yeah, it was good. 5-star hotel paid for. Thank you very much. However, so once you do that, you've got to then pay. So step 2, you've got to pay £210 per person. It's called a COVID test package kit. So yeah, you've got to pay £210 before you even fly. Make sure you do that, people. You don't want any problems when you land, because there was loads of people at Madrid I witnessed who didn't have the test package kit. So make sure you do that, people. You gotta go online. I'll put the link in the description, nice and easy for you. So yeah, with the COVID test package kit, on the 2nd and the 9th day, you've got to do a test by yourself. And yeah, you know, if you are positive, then I guess, I don't know, I've not really looked into it, but I guess you'll have to isolate. But for me personally, because Guatemala is not on the red list, I'm lucky. So all I've got to do is do the test 2nd and 9th day. And yeah, just quarantine for 10 days, then I'm good. Travel gang, we're good, people. It's all good. However, if you do, sanitizing stations everywhere. It's new, never seen this. But yeah, here we go, look, passport ID, passenger locator form. So that's the bit I was going to get to next, people. The 3rd step, you've got to complete the passenger locator form. So once you've you know, Okay, we get baggage reclaims, making sure it's following the right direction. So yeah, once you've done your COVID test in the country you're leaving from, boom, 2, pay for your COVID test package kit. Regardless if it's a red country or not, you got to do it. If it's a red country, you got to pay £1,400, and you got to quarantine at a hotel. Lucky for me, I don't have to do that, like I said earlier. And step 3, you got to fill in the Passenger Locator Form, and it requires you to put all your information, which country you left, blah blah blah, evidence of a reference number of the COVID test you've done in the country that you left. So for me, obviously I've done it in Guatemala. It's a bit different here, looks a bit different. I should have kept that video running earlier when I was chatting to that policeman. Passport control, so we're at T5 people, terminal 5. So we're going passport control, baggage reclaim, customs exit. So we've still got a bit to go. Yeah, people, it's not as easy as before, and it's crazy, you know. You also pay £200 when you're coming back home. UK government, Mr. Johnson, Boris Johnson, if you're watching, to lower the price, you know. Lower the price, fam. A man ain't looking to travel anytime soon if I've got to pay £200 coming back into the country. For me, I was in Guatemala since December, people, so if this is your first time watching the channel, make sure you check out the Guatemala playlist. I'll put a link at the top, just about here I think, so click on it, catch up on my journey. Done loads of adventures, been there since December 10th 2020. Now it's March, 3 months away from England, so make sure you check it out, people. Just travel can. I hope that video was factual. Hope it helps you on your travels this summer. And hopefully you won't have to watch the video again. Hopefully, well, it could potentially be irrelevant even a month or 2 down the line, but it's all good. Do it for you, people. Do it for my travel gang, you get me? Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, bell notifications, so you know when the next video is due. Like I said, it's a weekly thing, so make sure you subscribe. There's more coming, you get me? London Heathrow, finally made it. To see 2 customs officials just hovering over there. Hopefully they don't bother me. Yes, people, it's been emotional as always. 3 months in Guatemala, it was crazy. Like I said earlier, if you've just forwarded to this section of the video, make sure you check out the Guatemala playlist. I've got about 10 or so videos of my experiences since December 2020. Hope you like it, people. Peace in the Middle East. Travel gang. Peace.